Heyo friendos, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I finally got my Boxycharm Premium Box for the month of September. We're just mere moments away from unboxing it and seeing what we think. Okay guys, if you are with it, then just stay tuned. Alright, so Boxycharm family, y'all weigh in. Did it take forever for you guys to get your boxes? Because I just got mine today. I mean, we're almost done with September here. Okay, so let's see what we got. So yeah, I wish that they had been a little bit more prompt. Like that would have been nice. I am paying $43 for this. Oh, by the way, my sister canceled hers. You guys know she was getting the base box. She thought it was too boring, so she cut that out. Okay, did I not get this in my last box? This is the Patrick Ta Major Glow Lip Shine. She's expensive. I got this in my last box, I think. All right, we're gonna have to look this up. Okay, maybe it was a different one because I don't remember it being this sparkly. I definitely got one color of this. Okay, well, here it is. It is pretty, but I think I might have gotten this before. Okay, then from NARS, we have Shanghai Express, and this is a matte lipstick. Gotta say, cute packaging. Ooh, this is my kind of shade too. Why do I have to have such hairy hands? Like, do you guys see that? Anyways, we'll try this on in a regular video. Anya! Here's the card where they explain everything that's going in the box. I'm going to read off to you what I got. So for the Patrick Ta Major Glow Lip Shine, it says it's a universally flattering high shine lip gloss with the cushion and slip of a lip balm for zero stickiness, all shine. And it retails for $22. Next up, the NARS lipstick, No Rules, Just Lips. A new formula, this dynamic blend of moringa and passion fruit seed oil enhances color vibrancy and conditions lips for radically lightweight wear and unprecedented feel. Endless artistry, infinite expression. Okay, NARS. Then we have from One Size the Brow Kiki Micro Brow Defining Pencil. I got the shade medium brown. I feel like Boxycharm doesn't know me. So we have a spoolie on one side so you can throw the nasty one that you found away. Yay. And then this is a really fine tip brow pen. And if I wasn't redheaded right now, I'd be more excited about this. But also I would have liked to have had a darker shade. So it looks like you get those micro fine brow strokes in with a product like this. So, I mean, it's probably good. So let's see what they say about it. One Size by Patrick Starr. The Brow Kiki Micro Brow Defining Pencil. Here's the tea. This 12-hour waterproof and smudge-proof retractable brow pencil has a sturdy precision tip for next-level detailing. Fill in the blanks with real hair-like strokes to amp up your brows for any kiki. And this normally retails for $19. Where is this made? It's made in Korea. Ooh. Patrick Ta is made in the USA. And NARS is also made in the USA. So really happy to see that in this box so far. Ooh, next up we have from Elemis, the Superfood Fruit Vinegar Liquid Glow. This refreshing tonic is formulated with AHA-rich apple vinegar, apricot, Mexican cactus, and a prebiotic. Gently exfoliates to reveal brighter looking skin with visibly improved clarity. A hydrating step to leave skin feeling soothed and balanced for a complexion that glows with freshness. Gentle enough for everyday use, the perfect fruity addition to any routine. So this, I bet this is expensive. Let's see. So this says on here that this is mild enough for twice a day use. This glow boosting toner leaves the skin feeling balanced and looking radiant. This is normally $36. I love getting luxury and high-end skincare in these boxes. It makes me miss my Allure box less. And Elemis, where are you made? Where are you made, girl? It's made in England. Cool. Okay, now I've got a big palette. I don't know who this is by. Let's see. Iconic London again. Unfortunately, this is made in China, you guys. So this is the Desk to Dance eyeshadow palette. Okay, so this palette is really pretty, you guys. It looks cheap though, I'm not gonna lie. Like, you can see the lines of where the mirror's in. The mirror looks extremely cheap. I want you to guess how much this retails for.
What's the brand?
Iconic London. And this is the Desk to Dawn. No, Dusk to Dance eyeshadow palette.
But the thing's $50. 60.
This thing is $62. In what world, Iconic London? At first glance, I thought it was pretty, but like it literally looks like someone has like stuck their finger in here. Do you guys see that? And there's even like a little spot. I'm a little bit scared. Let's just swatch a few of these. I'll go ahead and swatch the nasty looking one. It's really creamy, so someone probably did put their finger in it. Again, creamy, it looks nice. Sitting pretty, let's see. That one's kind of weak. Money Plant. Oh, this is going to be a duochrome, actually. So that green and white looking one. And then we have Dressed Up. And Thriving. That one's okay. Okay, so it's not like a bad palette, but I'm just saying if I didn't get this in a box, I never would purchase this, especially not for $62. No, thank you.
No, thank you.
No, thank you. Okay, and then we have the Lower East Side Felt Tip Liquid Eyeliner. I've never heard of this brand. So this is a felt tip precision point eyeliner. Cool, I like felt tips. It says this felt tip liquid eyeliner is perfect for creating anything you desire, from a bold, dramatic cat eye to an everyday subtle winged eyeliner. This easy to apply and highly pigmented formula gives intense color payoff and ultimate staying power that won't crease, smudge, or budge. Perfect for beginners or advanced users. Normally sells for $20. Where are you made? Never heard of you. So yeah, guys, this is unfortunately made in China. Okay, here we go. That actually looks really nice. I don't see any bleeding there. Let's try it on my wrinkly little hands. Looks nice there too. Okay, we're gonna give this a go and hopefully I won't go blind. All right, so let's go through the value of my box. So with the Iconic London palette being $62, the Patrick Ta Major Glow Lip Shine being $22, the One Size by Patrick Star Brow Kiki Micro Brow Defining Pencil being $19, 84 plus 20 is 104, 103, the Elemis Superfood Fruit Vinegar Liquid Glow being $36, the NARS Iconic Lipstick being $26. So the total value of my box this time was around $165 had I bought everything individually and not through Boxycharm. I paid $43 for the box, so not a bad value. And I'm actually really pleased, even though I think I got the Patrick Ta before, I'm still pretty happy to get another one, because let's be real, like, that's luxury makeup right there. Also, the Brow Kiki, I wish that the colors had been a little bit more personalized to me. The eyeliner seems fine, but it's from a brand I've never heard of. The Iconic London palette, I mean, it looks fine, but at the same time, y'all know how I feel. I really don't want any of my money going to the Chinese Communist government. So when Boxycharm buys these palettes, I mean, they are giving money to that government. So, and also this NARS lipstick looks really nice. I can't wait to try this out. So now, friendos, I want to hear from you guys. What did you all think of this box? Would you pay $43 a month for it? Please sound off in the comments, because I really like to hear your thoughts and opinions. What did you all think was the most exciting product in the box? For me, it's probably the Elemis skincare. So I say this in every video, but just in case it's your first time, for Boxycharm, what thrills me with the brand isn't the actual boxes. Like, the boxes are fine. You guys saw, like, this was a good box. There's nothing wrong with it. I wouldn't go and cancel my box. I actually am going to enjoy some of the things that I got in there for sure. But on the real, it's those sales that they have online where you can get so much makeup for $5 and $6 a piece. Woo! Dude, I have something on my head. I don't know, how long has it been there?
Wait, what did you do?
I think it's one of these. I must have like knocked it.
Like this?
I must have. So friendos, now I want to hear from you guys. Tell me what you think the most exciting item from my box was today. For me, I think it was probably the Elemis Superfood Fruit Vinegar Liquid Glow. I love getting luxury skincare, And I really like the brand Elemis, so that's probably the most exciting thing, but you guys know I like this too. And friendos, I suppose we shall call it there for today. Thank you all so much for hanging out with me and staying tuned to the very end of the video. That is very kind of you all. If you did enjoy this unboxing, then please don't hesitate to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not done so already, because if not, we'll both have to live in the sorrow of never knowing what could have been. Okay guys, have a fabulous rest of your day. Bye.